Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw. C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. It's neither D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Sorry kids, mistake. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. It's neither F. F for fish, F for friend. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw G. G for God, G for grapes. Kids, again use blue color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use green color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use black color. M. M for moon, M for mango. M. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use red color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, neither R. R for rose, R for rice. And use yellow color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. And use blue color. V. V for van, V for vanilla.